Chief Minister Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy advised not to neglect COVID and to remain vigilant. On Tuesday, he held a Spandana video conference with collectors and SPs at his camp office. Deputy CM Alanadi, Ministers Botsa and Adimalpu Suresh were present. CM Jagan conducted a review on COVID preventive measures, Nadu Nedu in schools, Angalwadi, hospitals, system of village, ward secretariats, RVOFR, rails in tribal areas. On this occasion, the Chief Minister said that there are conditions to live with COVID and directed authorities to take an action from time to time without indifference. He directed the COVID-19 examinations must be conducted in all government hospitals and in PHCs, UHPs, area hospitals. District collectors are expected to provide results within 24 hours of taking samples in RT-PCR and TrueNet examinations and 30 minutes in the rapid examination. The CM clarified that all the labs in the district have been provided with the necessary equipment and tests should not be refused on the pre-test that there are no kits anywhere. Steps should be taken to ensure that those with primary and secondary contacts in positive cases are kept in the home quarantine. In the wake of COVID, an additional 17,000 doctors and other staff have been allowed to be hired on a contract basis for a period of 6 months. We have decided to hire another 11,000 trainee nurses. Appointments in some places have not yet been completed in this regard and should be completed immediately. Regular posts should be completed within another week. Candidates who have been appointed should immediately join and COVID duties assigned to them. The CM directed the collectors and JCs to monitor it. CM Y. Jagan said that the medical kits containing essential medicines have been distributed to those in home isolation and the medical officer want to be available to the patient on the phone for 14 days. Joint collectors were ordered to monitor the availability of all medicines in these home kits. As 8,368 cases were added afresh in 24 hours ending 9 am on Monday, the state's COVID-19 aggregate touches 5,06,493 while 70 more died, pushing the toll up to 4,487. The latest bulletin said 10,055 more patients recovered, taking the overall number of those cured to 4,04,074. The state now has 97,932 active cases.